What should be done to KV line? Short term, double track on ground with road underpasses, overpasses or signalized crossings as intended, keeping same curves as posed by consultants, the same maximum safe speed can be achieved. Travel time can reduce from 68 minutes to 54 minutes, that is 14 minutes. Medium term, gradually acquire land and straighten curves to reduce travel speed for express trains to Homagama in 28 minutes, that is commercial speed of 50 kilometers per hour, and slow trains in 34 minutes, commercial speed of 40 kilometers per hour, with express to Avisavella in 1 hour 11 minutes. This will be comparable to the main line and coastline. Hence, straightening curves will be a prerequisite priority to provide a competitive service. In other words, the full potential of electrification cannot be achieved without straightening the curves. That requires to be emphasized. Long term, to treat any specific location where grade separation is required, to ease road traffic as and when necessary. That is, you might be able to have a flyover or an underpass and so forth. So, let me also say that consultants have not looked at the possibility of having underpasses across certain roads where the geography allows it to do so even. So, those are some aspects that the consultants will have to look into in more detail. Now, safety and comfort issues. Without any acquisition and resettlement of encroachments, there is no access to evacuate passengers in case of any emergency, derailment or fire. In case of derailment, especially if they operate at higher than safe speed and or if track and wheel wear and DI is high, there is possibility that there will be serious damage to property and will even result in casualties. Hence, at elevated or ground level, acquisition is a mandatory requirement for safety of passengers. Moreover, keeping the curves as they are will increase passenger discomfort due to number of reverse curves, especially at the higher speeds proposed by the consultants.